Over the past few months, I've had the wonderful opportunity to work with a client on their Shopify website. And so I just wanted to briefly explain and share some of the things I've been able to help them with in this video. So I've been helping them with ongoing technical support and technical features on the Shopify store. And one of the features that they were looking for is when it comes to certain products, if they were tagged, the product was tagged discontinue or it was tagged clearance, they wanted the add to cart button to say sold out, like as you see here. But if the product is not tagged discontinued or clearance, then they want this to read awaiting restock. So that's one of the features that we were able to set up. So you see, for instance, this product here, this product is tagged either discontinued or clearance. And so you can see that the add to cart button will read sold out. So if you click it, nothing will happen. It'll tell you it's already sold out. You can't add it to your cart. But if that same product is, well, not that same product, but if a product is sold out, but it's not tagged discontinued or clearance, you'll see another example here that it reads awaiting restock. Now the customer has the option to get notified when the product is available. They click this, they can put in their email address, and they get notified when the product is back in stock. So this is a nice, helpful feature that you can also add to your Shopify store to help customers know the difference is if a product is sold out or if it's awaiting restock. And also it's good on the back end because you can know that, okay, if this product is sold out, that means it's discontinued. They're not going to put any more versions of that product out. But this product here, even though it's sold out, awaiting restock kind of gives an indication, okay, they're going to make more of this product. So it also helps the customer kind of know which products that the business is going to be releasing and then which ones they might not be releasing. So that's a very good feature that we were able to create. Another feature which I wanted to share very quickly is this one is a little bit more complicated, but I'll briefly share it here. So there are some items that are on consignment, which means that people can test them for a little bit, and then if they like it, they can keep it. If they don't like it, they can return it back. And so if that specific product is in stock, if the company has it in stock, then they want this button here to read add to cart. If the product is out of stock, which means the customer has it temporarily, they're trying it out, then they want this to read on trial. Now, if it's out of stock and the customer decides to actually purchase it, it's going to be the on trial is going to be removed, and this is going to read just sold. So there's different categories that they wanted to read. So you can see here, I'm going to pull the first example here, that this saddle here is in stock. The client has it in store. No customer has it yet. Right now, it's just in stock like a normal product. You can see it says add to cart. So if a customer is online, they see this product, they can add it to the cart. Now, another use case, like we mentioned, is if the saddle is out of stock, which means a customer has it on consignment, they're using on a trial basis, and you can see what the text says here, on trial. So now if a potential customer comes in and they want to purchase this, they see that it's on trial, which means that it's not available right now, but they have the option to click this and again get notified when it is available. But now going on to our third use case, that okay, this product is still not in stock because the customer decided to purchase it. Now you see what it says here, sold. So now anybody who wants to buy this knows that this product is sold. So again, this is another useful feature that we were able to use. We actually use Metafields. If you're familiar with Shopify, we use Metafields to be able to target the different use cases, to be able to have the add to cart button read different text depending on what situation it falls in. So I've been able to help out this store. I've had a great experience with the team. They're all very nice and very kind people, but I just wanted to share a little bit of some of the things that we were able to do. And if you're looking for something similar to this, or you need additional technical support with your Shopify store, I'll be more than happy to work with you and help you out. So please feel free to reach out.